See, a network is a diagrammatic representation of knowing how long it will take to finish a project. The main consideration of network analysis is to determine the project duration. Incidentally, we will also be interested in a concept like critical path. So always we will be determining the critical path and the project duration. Critical path is a set of activities which should not be delayed if you want to finish the project in the scheduled duration. In case if you delay any of the activities along the critical path, the project duration will be delayed. Now, you take the question on page 8.6. Example 1. The following table gives the activities in a connection project and other relevant information. Activity, duration are given. Draw the network diagram. Find the critical path and project duration. Find the total float for each activity. Now we are going to draw the network diagram for the following list of activities. The activities are numbered 1 to 2. It means that 1 is starting point of the activity, 2 is the finishing point of the activity. Now there are two activities. One to two, 1 to 3. 1 to 2 and 1 to 3 are the through activities. The next activity is 2 to 3. 2 to 4, 3 to 4. 2 to 4, 3 to 4. 4 to 5. The durations are represented just below the line representing the activity. For example, for 1 to 2, the duration is 20 days. For 1 to 3, the duration is 25 days. 2 to 3, 10 days. 2 to 4, 12 days. 3 to 4, 6 days. And then finally 4 to 5, 10 days. So we have drawn the network diagram. Now we want to find out the critical path and the project duration. For that we write down the various paths. A path is starting from the first point going to the final point in the direction of the arrows. See, for example, 1 to 2, from 2 I can go to 4, 4 I can come to 5. That is one of the paths. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. The third path, 1, 3, 4, 5. Now we write down the duration of each one of the paths. For example, you take the first path, 1 to 2 is 20, 2 to 4 is 12, and 4 to 5 is 10. Adding 20 plus 12, 32 plus 10, 42. The second one, 20 plus 10, 30, 36 plus 10, 46. 25 plus 6, 31 plus 10, 41. The path that takes the largest duration is called the critical path. Among the durations, we choose the largest. That is called the critical path. So we now say the critical path is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are three different paths. In order to distinguish the critical path from other two paths, we double line the critical path or give by a different color. So your critical path is 1 to 2, 2 to 4, and 4 to 5. Oh. One, two, three, four, five. Now, what is the project duration? The project duration is 46 days. The project duration can be determined by two different methods. One is by writing down the various paths and choosing the longest duration among them. The second one is using the concept of total flow. In fact, in the second question, find the critical path and project duration, we have answered the question. The third one is find the total flow for each activity. Now, what is this total flow? We are going to introduce the concept of earliest start time and latest finish time for each activity. We start measuring time from the instant we start the project. So, E equal to 0 at 1. E equal to 0 at 1. 0 plus 20 at 2 is equal to 20. At 3, there are two possibilities. I can come from 2 to 3 or 1 to 3. Right? So if I come from 1 to 3, 0 to plus 25, 0 plus 25 is 25, 20 plus 10 is 30. We have to take the larger of the two for E. At E is equal to 30. Similarly at 4, I can come from 2 to 4 and 3 to 4. 20 plus 12, 32. 30 plus 6, 36. So the larger is 36. At 5, the larger is 46. The last value of E should necessarily be the project duration. You got 46, already we know the project duration is 46. These are all the earliest start time of an activity. If I write E is equal to 30 at 3, the activity 3 to 4 could be started only after 30 days. That is the meaning. Now we go for the latest times. For going the latest time, we go in the reverse order starting from 5. At 5, L is equal to 46. E and L are the same. At 5, L equal to 46. At 4, we go backward. 46 minus 10. 46 minus 10. 36. At 3, go backward. There is only one way for going backward. 36 minus 6. But for 2, we can come backward in two ways. Either I can come backward from 3 or from 4. If I come from 3, 30 minus 10, 20. If I come from 4, 36 minus 12, 24. The minimum of these two. If there are two possible values of E, I must take the lower. So at 2, L equal to 0. At 1, again there are two possibilities. 30 minus 25 is 5. 20 minus 20 is 0. Always L must be 0, E must be 0 at the starting point. Similarly, E and L must be the same at the finishing point. So, we are able to write down the total float for every one of these activities. Oh, we want to find out the total float. We want to write down the total float. To write down the total float, now we prepare a table. What are the activities and duration? Now write activity duration. Activities are 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. Now the durations are 1 to 2 is 20, 1 to 3 is 25, 2 to 3 is 10, 2 to 4 12, 3 to 4 6, and 4 to 5 10. Now I introduce earliest start time, earliest finish time, latest start time, latest finish time, and then total float. And then the total float. Earliest start time are nothing but the values of E at the beginning points of the activity. At 1, at 2, at 3, at 4, like that. Look at that. At 1 is 0. Again at 1. At 2 is 20. At 2, 20. At 3 is 30. At 4, 36. Earliest finish time is nothing but the earliest start time plus duration. Finish time is start time plus duration. Earliest finish time is the earliest start time plus duration. So we have 0 plus 20, add column 2 and 3. 0 plus 25, 20 plus 10, 20 plus 12, 30 plus 6, 36 plus 10. So we have written down the earliest finish time for all the activities. With the earliest start time, we add the duration. Now we are going to write down the latest finish time. We are going to write down the latest finish time. Latest finish time are nothing but the values of L at the end points. Values of L at 1 to 2. So at 2, what is L? At 2, L is 20. At 3, L is again 30. At 4, 36. Again 36. At 5, 46.